All right, so this week we're going to talk about fractions, decimals, and percents. And so you all are going to have to do some, there we go. We're going to have to do a little bit of practice, okay? This is getting us ready for our next unit, which is probability. So we're going to need to know how to do this. So this is the Class Kick assignment for this week. It is 410. This first page, it always says watch first. And this usually has the video of me on it. So I'm going to have the video there for you. You go over to the next page. This is your warm-up. You only need to do this warm-up. I don't have two this time. You can use your calculator. Please use your calculator. Show your work. I linked the calculator right there for you. So all you have to do is click that, and it'll take you to Desmos. Okay, so get those done. I'm going to go over to page 3. This is simplifying fractions, okay? So you have 14 questions, but all you're going to do is type it into Desmos. So I'm going to do the first one, which is 4/8, okay? So I'm going to click my Desmos calculator, and it is going to take me to Desmos. This is the scientific calculator. And our first question was 4/8, or 4/8. And to type that in, I pushed 4 divided by 8, and I got my fraction. It gives me my decimal. Okay? You don't want the decimal quite yet. You want the fraction. So to find the fraction, you're going to click this button right here, the circle, and it'll give you the fraction. So 4/8 is equal to 1/2. Then you're going to put 1/2 right here on number 1. Let's see. I'll do number 2 with you also, which is 4/50. So I'm going to push the green or the blue, sorry. 4. Let's go back. 14/50. Here we go. 14 over, and I can't type today, 14/50, and that is 0.28. I want the fraction. I'm going to click the button, and it is 7/25. And that is your answer for number 2. All we're practicing is how to use the calculator. So if you're freaking out and thinking this is super easy, don't freak out. We're just practicing using our calculator so we can do great when we're doing probability. So go ahead and complete those questions. So I recommend you split your screen, and to do that, you are going to push Alt and the bar on your screen that looks like this. It is going to have this on it. So Alt and then the key that has that on there. And that is it. Okay? So that's how you split your screen. And then all you have to do is pull the tab that you want over here, and you'll have 2 different tabs. All right. The 4th page is converting fractions to decimals. And I put this big X in the middle. You don't have to do the ones in the middle. Just do the ones on the sides. So let's do the first one together. I'm going to click the Desmos link. It's going to take me to the Desmos calculator. And 4/20 is 0.2. So I'm going to go back to Class Kick, and you would put 0.2. Okay? So that is for that. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do number 3, and that is 9/10. So 9/10 is equal to 0.9. And I'm going to go back, and I'm going to put 0.9. This time, it's a little bit different on Class Kick. I forgot to say this before we did the last page. When you type in on Class Kick, it'll tell you if you got it right or wrong. Okay? So that's new. If it turns green, the little thing around your answer turns green, you got it right. If it turns red, you got it wrong. So you can check yourself as you're going, or the computer will check you for yourself. So now you can see if you got it right or wrong. All right, the last page that you are going to need to do this week is converting decimals to percents, okay? So they give you this first one, 0.3. So I'm going to type it in there, 0.3. And we know that when we're doing percents, the highest percent you can get is 100, right? So to find what 0.3 is, we are going to multiply it by 100. And that is going to give us our percent. This would be 30%. So over here, you're going to type in 30, and you need the percent sign. So 30%. Okay? Let's see. Okay. They're all pretty nice percentages for you. Just double checking. Let's do one more. The next one is 0.82. I'm going to multiply that up by 100 to get my percent, and my percentage is 82%. So I'm going to type in 82% right there. Okay? So feel free to pause this video. Feel free to work on this over a couple days. Please make sure you do your probes for me. And that's it for this week. We're just getting ready for probability. All right. Have a great week.